How to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Uber Eats. If it says open, it means the application is updated. Now let's head over to our settings. Scroll below until you find the apps option. Here again, search for Uber Eats. Then tap on storage and here clear the cache. Once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then make sure that you are entering the correct and valid promo code. You might also be mistakenly entering O as 0, and that is why your promo code might not be working. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.